Starting off kind of weird because I'm on my phone camera, but I just wanted to make a little intro because the original intro I made for this video didn't pop up on my computer. I'm editing in the video right now, but this is gonna be a prom vlog slash this was my junior prom, and I did bring my boyfriend. He flew all the way from Texas just to go, and he stayed the whole weekend. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get into it. I just got back from work. I went to Walmart because I wanted to get a specific face powder, and I got the Coty Airspun, and I heard so many good things about this. And I got in the color Translucent Extra Coverage. And then I got some fake eyelashes. These are, oh, the glare is driving me crazy. This is the Ardell Faux Minx fake eyelashes. They're so pretty. Oh my god. They're so fluttery. I will see you guys on Thursday. It's almost 9:30. And I'm gonna get my nails done with my friends at 10:30. So I should get up soon. I'm gonna get like a pinkish nude almond shaped acrylics. I love acrylics. And then I gotta go shopping for a couple things. I got like some stuff to do at home. I just have a really busy day. Alright, I gotta get up. I gotta get ready to get my nails done. Alright, now I'm gonna go pick up Vivian to go to the nail salon. I'm gonna put on some music for myself. So I will see you guys when I pick her up. Alright, so I just ran around everywhere and got my nails done, as you guys can see. I love them. They're so good. So I spent so much money shopping for prom, but like, I don't even care. I went to Party City and I went to Target. I've been to Target like 3 times this past week. So first I got some fashion tape because the side of my dress kind of like sticks out a little bit, so I want to like stick that down with some fashion tape. And then I got a body exfoliator because my skin needs to be nice and smooth and like dry patch free for my self tan. This is the Dove exfoliating body polish. It's in the crushed macadamia and rice milk scent. And then I'm gonna try the Jergens Natural Glow Instant Sun Sunless Tanning Mousse. I got deep bronze because I heard the light bronze doesn't do shit. So I'm gonna try this out for the first time. I've never self-tanned before. This is gonna be an interesting ride. So first I'm gonna exfoliate my body, and then I'm just gonna put this on. And then while that's like settling into my skin and drying, I'm gonna do a bunch of other stuff. I need to do my eyebrows. I need to do laundry because I haven't done laundry in like weeks, and that's so bad. I hate doing laundry. It's such a hassle. And from Party City, so our after party theme is like neon, like black lights themed. So I went to Party City and I got some of these like neon neon necklaces, and then I got some glow in the dark body paint. I'm gonna go exfoliate my body, and then I'll be back when I'm gonna try out this tan. I was trying to find a self-tanning mitt, but I couldn't find one at Target, so I think I'm just gonna use a good old sock. See you guys when I'm self-tanning. Okay, so I just finished self-tanning, and like I definitely do notice a difference, but I just gotta wait until it all fully develops. So I think I did pretty good. I'm really hoping this comes out even because I'm not trying to have a patchy tan, like no thanks. So yay, now I'm gonna do my laundry and do my eyebrows because they're looking really ratch, and then gotta wash my makeup brushes. I have a research paper to do. It's gonna be a busy day. I cannot take any breaks. I'm gonna be on my grind. So yay. Okay, so right now I'm gonna clean my beauty blenders, and I heard this like little trick that you put it in like a little like glass bowl, and you mix it with water and dish soap, and it's supposed to clean your beauty blender and make it like pristine. So I just cleaned this one, and like there's still a little bit of some staining, and it's really like soapy, but I mean it cleaned it decently. To be honest, like I don't notice like a huge difference with my tan, but I might do a second layer. Like I noticed a little bit of a tan, but like I think I'm gonna do a second layer tomorrow after school. I have a half day tomorrow. I'm gonna have a lot of time to like just do another layer. All right, now I'm gonna clean these makeup brushes. I have a shit ton of makeup brushes to clean. So I hoard makeup brushes and I don't realize like, hey, the more you buy, the more you need to clean. So coat of the self tanner because I was like, I want to be like bronzed goddess, be looking good, be looking snatched. Oh, I need to do my eyebrows. That's right. Okay. Hey, you can really see the tan. And yes, I know I'm like naked, but like I don't want to wear any like clothes when I'm trying to let this tan develop and stuff. So if you have a problem with me being naked, oh well. Or two ago, I finished my research paper and I ate some dinner, and now I'm just kind of I mean, I do have to study for a Spanish because I have tomorrow, but I'm just gonna do that later because I've been literally go all day and I just don't want to do that anymore. Also, my tan looks so good. Also, I realized this video isn't like the greatest video in the world. It's literally just me like talking about my day and like bring you guys along, but I just wanted like a more laid back getting around with me / prom vlog. I didn't want to focus so much on making this video the best video in the world. I just wanted to have a little like reminisce. Yeah, it's currently, I think it's like 7:30 right now. I guess I'm just kind of chilling. I don't really have a lot to do. Hey guys, so I just got out of school. I had a half day. I got out like at 11. So now I'm back home. I just picked up corsage. And now I think I'm gonna do a little bit of some more self-tanning because a lot of the color washed away in the shower because I don't think I left it on. Since it's kind of early still, I'm not gonna get ready just yet. I'm gonna wait a little bit. I'm gonna do self-tanning and then I think I'll start maybe curling my hair. I don't know. We'll see. So I will see you guys in a little bit. So Jillian's on her way to my house because she's gonna help me with my hair. And she's gonna take pictures for us, so she's a little hairdresser, photographer. So yeah. Jillian's here, but she's on my bed. Wanna say hi? Hey! So, that was the most awkward. I hated every second of that. So, I'm about to curl my hair, and then she's gonna do my hair, or like the style. I look so tan right now. This is my third layer of self-tan. So I'm just gonna be curling my hair. I'm gonna put this in fast forward. We're gonna listen to some music. We're gonna chill. We're gonna jam. You're just like... No way!
What?
Do you remember Avicii?
Yeah.
He died!
What?
At 28!
Wish you good luck being lonely. I'ma push red every time you phone me.
Okay, so I just finished my hair and makeup. I had to charge my camera. I couldn't film the whole like makeup process because I need my camera for pictures, so I need to charge that. But this is the finished look. It's just like a really like glittery brown smoky eye. And then if you didn't see my hair, it's like 2 French braids and it goes into like 1 big braid in the back. Real cute, real bohemian, love it. And it's like pretty early. What time is it, Jillian?
It's like 4. Oh wait, no, yeah, it's like 3:50.
Okay, so I have like an hour and a half-ish until pictures, but my boyfriend Matt should be here in like an hour. Really happy I finished early because I hate rushing. It's just so much better than having to have good crunch time.
You'd be so pissed.
I'd be so mad. I'd be like infuriated. I'll come back when I'm putting on my dress. Okay, it is 5 o'clock and Matt's gonna be here for like 20 minutes-ish. And we about to take some pictures outside because it's pretty as fuck outside. And it's a really nice day. It's sunny. It's warm. Yeah, like spring. It actually feels like spring right now. My makeup looks so good. Oh my god. Okay, anyways. Yeah, this is the look. Be looking good, looking Gucci.
Looks even better than that. It's just that's her iPhone because I have the camera to take
Yeah,
pictures.
let's go. Oh, look how pretty it is outside. It's so sunny.
Bright.
It is, yeah, shit, it is bright.
It seems warmer than it
Oh, these are my shoes. Cute, right? Okay.
Oh. You're gorgeous!
Hey!
Oh, girl!
No, you're like the same height.
Yeah, pretty much the same. Yeah. I mean, maybe you're still got a half inch under.
Yeah,
She's like a half inch shorter than you.
Are you gonna help me, Abby? Or are you just gonna stand there?
Okay, here.
Oh.
Aww, the happy couple. We're matching so good right now. Hey y'all, I know this is the same like setup and like clothes from the intro. I'm filming both of them at the same time. I totally forgot to vlog during prom, and I'm really disappointed in that because that was like my whole freaking point on doing this video. But I don't know, it slipped on my mind. I didn't film at the after party of prom, so that's kind of all you guys are gonna get when it comes to like the actual prom itself, and I'm really sorry about that. I was having too much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want me to do more vlogs or get ready with me's or anything like that, please let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like the videos I make, please hit the subscribe button down below and the bell to get notifications. You know the drill, and